Okay, so we are about to solve problems on circles. So that is the continuation, or this is the continuation of my video on Module 3. So this will be part 4, problem solving exercises. Okay, so what is the area of a circle with a circumference of 18 pi cm? All right, so we are going to write down the given. So the given is circumference, which is 2 pi r. Oh no, it's 2 pi. No, 18. Sorry. So this is 18 pi cm. So the required is we need the area of a circle. So what is our formula here? So the formula that we are going to use is A, since um, pi r squared. Okay, but we don't have the pi, we only have the circumference. So we can compute first the r by using the formula of the circumference, where circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so therefore, substituting the value of c, we have 18 pi equals to 2 pi r. And so r, divide both sides by 2 pi. So we have 18 pi divided by 2 pi. So we can cancel the pi here and we can proceed with division, where 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. So therefore, the radius is 9 cm. So this time, we can solve for the area, where area is equals to pi r squared, or we can substitute directly pi and then 9 squared. Okay, or area is equals to 81 pi. Okay, 81 pi, or you can also extract this formula. You can, the multiplied by 3.1416, you can get 254 point, so this is centimeter squared, no? 2.254.47 centimeter squared. So this is your answer for this problem. Okay, so we have problem number 2. Find the area of a sector bounded by a 60-degree central angle in a circle of radius, which is 6 inches. Okay, so a sector is like this, right? Di ba ganito yung sector? Tapos pa ganyan. Okay? So ito yung ating R, ito yung ating R, ito yung ating S, tapos ito yung ating central angle. Okay, so the formula, or the given information are, we have R, which is equals to 6 inches. Okay, and then we have the central angle, which is 60 degrees. Okay, what is the required? Okay, the required is area of a sector. Area of a sector. Okay, and the formula that you're going to use is, of course, a factor is equals to 1 half r squared theta. Kasi given ang r, given ang theta. So, plugging the values, okay? So, area of a sector is just simply equal to 1 half times what is r? We have 6, and then square, and then we have the theta, which is you have to convert this to radians, okay? So 60 degrees, okay, times pi over 180 degrees. Okay, so you have to convert the degrees into radian. So this is how you convert the degrees. Okay, so bakit i-multiply ng pi 180 degrees? Because in a circle which has 360 degrees, no, ang equivalent niya is 2 pi r, okay? Or 2 pi radian. Okay. So therefore, if you want to convert this, it will be like 60 degrees times, since you want it to be in radian, so therefore, yung 360 mo ay dapat nandito. 360 degrees tapos 2 pi radian. Okay, so 'di ba? Ah, pwede natin i-divide ito. So this will be 180 degrees. Kaya naging pi 180 degrees. All right. So after doing this, you can get the area in of the sector. So you have, okay, where am I? All right. So we can say that uh, okay. So we're just going to make it a little small para ma-accommodate natin yung, okay. All right. So using that equation, so A sector is equals to 1 half times 6 square. Tapos, susulat lang tayo ulit, no? 60 degrees times pi radian over 180 degrees. So, when you say radian class, that is unitless, no? Wala siyang unit. So, we can simply delete the term radian and just simply write pi over 180 degrees. So area of a sector now is equals to 6 pi. Okay. So this will be equal to 6 pi or equal to 18.85 inches squared. So this is your answer for number 2. Okay. So again, you have to convert your degrees into radians, and this is your conversion factor. You have to understand that in a circle, the 360 degrees, no, central angle niya is actually equivalent to 2 pi radian. Okay, now let's go to problem number 3. Okay, A circle which has an area of 144 centimeters squared is cut into two segments by a chord that is 6 centimeters from the center of the circle. What is the area of the smaller segment? So we are going to draw a circle. Okay, so this is the circle, and then we're going to draw the chord. So the chord is 6 meters from the center. So ito yung center, tapos idodraw mo yung chord. So somewhere here. Okay, or let's use this blue one. Okay, so it's 6 meters from the um 6 meters from the center. So ito ay 6 meters from the center. It's 6 centimeters actually, not meter, 6 centimeters. Okay. So let's put this here. Since it's segment, okay. So ito yung kinukuha natin, no? Area of the smaller segment. So this is the area of the smaller segment. This one. So let's draw this. I mean a hatch. I-highlight natin. So this is what we are trying to get, no? This is the segment, the smaller segment. Ito yung malaking segment. And of course, we can get something out of this drawing, since this is the radius of the circle. Okay, now the radius of the circle is not known, but the area of the circle is known. Okay, so if the area, okay, so let's put a name on this point. So let's say this is A and this is B. Okay, and this is C. Okay, and this is O. Okay, all right. So 6 meters, 6 meters. And of course, this is a perpendicular bisector. So therefore, this is theta over 2. No? This is theta over 2. Okay. Now, first we are going to write down the given. So the given is area of circle, which is equal to 144 centimeters squared. And then the distance of the chord to the center, okay? So let's say represent this as letter D, okay, equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, so that is the given. Now, we are going to solve for the value of R, since R is not mentioned in the problem, but the area is there. So, let's write down the formula of the, okay, required muna tayo. Required is the area of the smaller segment. So, area of the smaller segment. Okay, formula. Since kailangan natin yung R, we need the formula of the area of a circle, which is A is equals to pi R squared. Okay? And then we simply have to get the area of the segment. Okay? So, area of a segment minus the area of the triangle. So, we can say A, area of a segment, is simply equal to 1/2 R squared theta minus 1/2 R squared sine of theta. Okay. All right. So solution. First, we need to solve the value of r because that is unknown using the formula of the area of a circle. Because area of a circle is given, so we can say that area is equals to pi r squared. Substitute a with 144 centimeters equals to pi r squared, no? Square din yan eh. So therefore r, we can solve for r then, okay? Where r is equals to 12 centimeters. So you can plug your calculator and check for that. Okay, so after getting the r, we can see that triangle O, B, and C. O, B, and C. Okay, so if this is 6, okay, and this is 12, we can get the value of theta over 2, right? So let's try to get this. Okay, so we're going to, okay, let's delete this part. Okay, so drawing natin yung ano, yung triangle natin. So ang triangle natin ay B, C, at saka yung point O. Okay, so B is 6 and R is 12 and this is theta over 2. So we can solve for the theta over 2 by using the cosine, no? So cosine theta over 2 is equals to 6 over 12. Okay? Or you can say, so arc theta over 2, or you can say theta over 2 is equals to cosine 1/2 or 6 over 12, no? So theta over 2 will give you 60 degrees. So theta is equals to 120 degrees. So this is your central angle. So meron na tayong central angle at meron na tayong R. Okay? So we can now compute for the area of the segment, no? So let's move to the next page. So we can solve for the area of segment, which is um, area of a segment. Let's write down the formula is equals to 1/2 r squared of theta. Okay, so 1/2, ang r mo ay 12 square, tapos theta mo is, you have to change these two radians, right? So theta mo is 120. So 120 degrees times pi over 180. No? Alam nyo na kung saan galing yan, no? So this will be your um, area of a segment. Tapos area of a triangle. Area of triangle. So area of triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 or 1/2 times the two sides and the included angle, no? Or you can say b squared or r squared. So r squared times sine of your theta. So you can write here r and then 12 square and then sine of 120 degrees. Okay. So area of a segment or area of a, actually this is sector class. I'll change this. So this is sector, not the segment. Okay. So area of a segment will be equal to area of a sector minus area of the triangle. Or you can write it down, no? So 1/2 tapos 12 squared, no? Tapos 120 times pi. Okay, let me write it down. Gawin nating maayos para 120, then you have pi over 180 degrees, and then minus 1/2 12 squared times sine of 120 degrees. Now, if you're going to plug your calculator, no, you can do it smaller here. Okay, so you can get area of a segment, smaller segment, area of the smaller segment is equal to 88.45 centimeters squared. So that is your answer for number 3 problem. Okay, so I'll stop on this problem. We will continue our video for the number 4, example number 4. Okay, so I'll see you on the next part.